Mankind's knowledge of the universe is growing every day, but it will always be insignificant against a finite universe full of mysteries. Comets are one of those mysteries, and mankind is a long way from solving it. Whether or not you believe what we're about to tell you is up to you. Ever since humans first looked up at the starry sky to fill it with symbols, stars have been named after constellations and planets have been named after mythological deities. Comets were no exception, for every time they appeared in the sky, their appearance in the sky has always had consequences for mankind. Horned Comet Pons-Brooks, really in profile, has the image of some horned creature. Someone will see in it a spaceship. Someone, on the contrary, will discern in it the image of the devil. People often try to see something that is not really there, and comets and other celestial bodies, just an excuse to once again get into a mystical mood. People themselves can attract to themselves certain events, such as man-made disasters. That's because they think a passing comet is the culprit. When people see a tailed star, they get scared. After all, stars just shine, but this one is moving, and even leaves behind a tail stretching for millions of kilometers. However, the appearance of comets on the celestial sphere sometimes strangely coincides with important events. Take, for example, the most famous of comets, Halley's Comet. Its approach to the Earth has often left an indelible mark on human history, and its occurrence is not that rare, even by the standards of our human lifetimes. In short-period comets with an orbital period of 70 years or less, such as Halley's Comet, a person may see it pass over the Earth twice in his lifetime. Some examples. 1066 William I the Conqueror invaded England. 1222 Genghis Khan saw Halley's Comet as an omen of his march westward. 1456 An earthquake in Naples kills 35,000 people. A tsunami, very unusual for the region, hits the port of Naples. 1531 Lisbon earthquake that kills about 30,000 people. In 1759 another eruption of Vesuvius, earthquake in Lebanon. One of the strongest earthquakes in the Middle East region in recorded history. And finally, in 1986, there was the Chernobyl accident in Russia, the largest nuclear disaster in human history. Comet 12 Pi Pons-Brooks passed by Earth in 1812, at the height of Napoleon's invasion. 1812 was a year of glory for Russia, which defeated the might of Napoleon's army. Whether Comet 12 Pi Pons-Brooks helped that happen, we don't know. There is no direct evidence. What will happen in 2024 when Comet Pons-Brooks comes close to Earth again, and what the consequences will be, remains to be seen.